Alright, I've got the Calculator Gator prototype up, and as you can see, it is pretty self-explanatory. It's a calculator where you can add numbers, and 9 plus 16 should equal 15. Helps you visualize what's going on. We can also subtract numbers. 15 minus 8 should be 7, and as you can see, it subtracted the units here. Let's look at that again. Let's look at 99 minus 65. See, it turns the second number here into a negative number basically, and you're basically canceling out positive and negative numbers here. So you can also visualize integers. We can reset, and our gator will eat all our numbers. We can also multiply 3 times 5, and that equals what? So over here we've rearranged our multiplier, and let's do that again. We'll do 5 times 5. Now see what's happening here. Our multiplier on the left is going to turn into a column, and our multiplicand on the right, it stays a row. And we basically arrange it. One group of 5, one group of 5, one group of 5, one group of 5, one group of 5. And then it rearranges the results into groups of 10 again. So we can see, okay, first row is 10, second row is 20, 25. So we can multiply stuff. We can also multiply negative numbers. So that should equal negative 15. Yep, because we got a negative 3 5 times. Negative 15. We can do, whatever integer operations we want here, and I think that that's kind of cool. The multiplying animation only works for integers that are between negative 10 and positive 10. So if you do a bigger number like 99 times 66, well, it'll just give you a summary of what the result is without an animation. And of course we can divide. 9 divided by 3 should equal 3. There we go. 9 divided by 6 will give us a fraction, 1.5. And in fact we can deal with fractions by going like that. 2.6 plus 3.5236 whatever equals what? Equals 6 point a little bit. So as you can tell, I've programmed this calculator to help you talk about positive and negative numbers. The fractional animations are a little lacking, but at least you can look at the animation of addition or subtraction or multiplication. And if you're bored with this animation, you can just skip it by clicking the equal sign. And I hope to put in more animation soon for squaring. I mean, right now it just gives you a simplistic calculation, and I want to put in animations for division, and I got to think about the best way to represent that. But that's a cool challenge for you or your students. Maybe there's a better way to visualize the division of 80 by 20, for example, and I'll figure that out. But that's my prototype product, and I hope that it looks interesting.